First things first, gotta freshen our breath. Sawadee-ka. We last left you guys in Spokane, Washington. Since then, we have seen our best buddies, the Minimum Millennials, and we've met up with Eamon's entire family in Vancouver. So for the weekend, we actually came out to Squamish, BC, and Eamon's mom and his siblings are staying in an Airbnb while we're parked outside the Airbnb in Trinity. Let's show you guys around. Can I go in the house in my pajamas?
We lost a few good men last night on the barbecue.
Hey vlog.
Hey vloggers.
Ollie.
I haven't brushed my hair.
Praise, you've seen him before? Dawn, you've seen her before?
I haven't brushed my hair.
My beautiful mother.
Go brush my hair.
I wish we were vlogging yesterday. Not only did we hike for 4 hours up some boulders, I guess that was the point. Your mom kicked butt. Your mom absolutely kicked butt yesterday, didn't she?
Rocked it.
Rocked it.
You wouldn't know she's 60 plus. This guy's a bit of a romantic. Two favorite shows. This Is Us and Bachelor. So unfortunately Fraser's taken. He's in a very serious relationship with the beautiful Dawn. But I got two single siblings inside that I'd love to introduce you to.
Hey, what's up vlog?
That's my single brother Cameron. I'm not sure why he's single. He's better looking than I am. Aaron, get up. It's time to go. It's time to go. It's time to go.
It's 11 o'clock.
Morning, Aaron. That's my my sister Erin. She's got an attitude problem. Erin, you just gave me like severe cut eye to the camera. Just looked up and gave it like a dirty look.
So I made overnight oats last night. I've been making the recipe with just oats, coconut yogurt, and then shredded apple for sweetness. Pretty good.
Hello?
Yes.
This Airbnb only has one toilet. Buddy, what on earth are you doing?
What do you mean? What am I doing?
I mean, what are you doing?
I'm just relaxing.
You're in bed relaxing?
Yeah, sometimes it's good to just relax.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of the property that we're on. It's owned by a couple and they've had it for 16 years right along the river. It's something that Eamon and I have always kind of visualized for our own life, so we'll just show you around. There's only 2 bedrooms, so Aaron and Morag have been in one, and Fraser and Dawn in the other, and Cam on the couch, and we've just been parked up right there. This is the cottage or the home that the owners live in. There is nothing like sleeping and existing near the water. I love the sound of the river. It is so calming. Here we are. I actually read once that being near the water is a real revitalizer because it means, and it's signaled, especially back in the day, that there was life and that you could continue existing because obviously you need water to live. So I think that's why I'm so keen and drawn to the water. We've got a convoy heading out. So we've got our van will probably lead. Eamon's mom typically rides with us just to give these guys more space. And we're heading to Whistler.
You gotta speak after you talking to press the button.
Come in, radio.
Don't call me radio, Unit 93.
There's a van lifer, first one of the day. Schoolie! We are en route, we're heading to Whistler, which is about an hour away from Squam. And yesterday, one thing we noticed is how many van lifer, van dwellers there are. It's crazy. It'll be cool to see what we see on the drive to Whistler. my camera down for 1 second and there's van lifers ripping by. You gotta leave it out.
We're looking for a fan on the roof, a solar panel on the roof, or just a whole bunch of stuff.
Basically anything but ladders on the roof.
Yeah, no ladders.
A ladder would be a tradie.
Or the other misconception is one of those long vans where they have just tourists. I feel like those
can look like van lifers too.
but they often have like a big air conditioning unit on the top, and most van lifers don't ball out like that. Do you agree?
Yeah. Back up.
It's fine, it's fine.
Are you just having a look at the closet?
I'd give you guys 2 guesses for what's for lunch today, but you'll only need one.
Lots of chefs in this kitchen, eh?
Yeah.
I think we're doing the biggest chickpea sandwich salad batch we've ever done. 6 cans, 2 jars of pickles, and 1.5 loaves of bread. It's gonna be epic.
Ooh-wee.
Here's another reason why we need a dog.
What?
The aftermath. 7 people around the table.
Cheers. Here's to the shops. Here's to van life.
Got the keys. Our family kind of left us. Did you bring some sunscreen?
Yeah. So we're in Garibaldi Provincial Park, and we're gonna do about an hour hike, I think. It's supposed to be an emerald lake, so beautiful. This is literally what my dreams are made of. Legit.
Gonna try and scare the girls.
It worked.
Are you in, Mom?
But okay, I'm in.
Just for the camera? Go, 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 go,
Ah, that's amazing!
Hey Beck, how's that tanning going? You're going for a run?
Yeah, bud, run back.
Wow.
It's only 3K. 3K is nothing. You could smash 3K out in 15.
Now it's probably a good time to talk about your girlfriend you're looking for.
Cut.
5'6".
Not as tall as him.
How tall are you?
5'9".
Yeah, so
5'8",
5'6".
I don't know.
Scandinavian? Open to Scandinavians.
CAMRANO. That's it.
Send him a DM, ladies.
Yeah.
He lives in BC, but he's open to moving.
Yeah, moving back to
What do you see in a daughter-in-law?
Well, I already have 2.
What do you look for?
I want another one just like the 2 I have.
Hey, what's the
The
address, Jen?
aftermath of hosting a family of 7. Thundered.
Aaron, you gotta push the button down and then talk.
Thundered. I'm sure this vlog, there's never a moment when no one's talking in the background, but you guys will get it. Just met Bunny here, van lifer. Been living in this van for 2 years.
Sick dude. He said he's looking to upgrade.
Is he?
Yeah.
What does he want to upgrade to?
He wants this.
Fraser, are you standing on a log?
Yeah.
Nice.
Access for the queue.
Nice.
Guys, look at the size of the queue they gave us for this Airbnb.
This is the barbecue.
This is the tong setup.
Today we're like trying to find other people living in a van, and I don't think we vlogged this, but we cruised by this little schoolie, and she was like working on her schoolie, and we've been like seeing her because it's out the road that we pass every single time we leave here. And so we just stopped, and Beck and I were like, it was kind of weird, but we were like waving at her, and she like got down and looked at us, gave us a dirty look, and then got
Glared at us.
Weird, right?
Super weird. Or when I held the gate for everyone and nobody even like waved or said thank you. I don't like that kind of thing. Be kind, everybody. In Toronto, we're like the token van people, and here in BC, we are like, oh yeah, you live in your van, cool.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, chef, sign her off.
Have a good night, folks. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to my videos.